Baking can be a little intimidating. Don't be scared though, okay? I got all the insider tips and tricks to ensure you bake a perfectly moist vanilla white cake with whipped vanilla buttercream. If you like trying new recipes, make sure you subscribe to Flavor Makers right now so you don't miss a single one. You always want to bake with a hot oven. So get that sucker preheated to 350 degrees. So in a large mixing bowl of flour here, got some baking powder, got my sugar, sour cream. All that tangy flavor and richness in the sour cream is gonna make it super moist. We got some egg whites and melted butter. It's gonna give us that fluffiness to keep the color of the cake nice and light. We're gonna add some pure vanilla extract to really punch up that vanilla flavor. A little bit more. So we're gonna mix up all these ingredients, starting on low right now. It's not so bad, right? You're doing all right. Lovely. Are you done? Done. I'm gonna pour this batter into 2 round cake pans, okay? And they've already been sprayed with non-stick cooking spray. This will also bake up into a 13 by 9 inch cake. This is perfect for when you don't have the time or don't have patience to make a layer cake. I'm gonna make a layer cake today though. We're gonna smooth it out, the edges there, and there we go. We're gonna slide these into the oven 25 to 30 minutes. We're gonna let those bake. It's time for my cake to come out of the oven. Look, it's already there. And these should be a nice, even color on top. You should be able to put a toothpick in the center, pull it out clean. If it comes out clean as a whistle, your cake's good to go. You let those cool for about 10 minutes. You want them to just be slightly warm when you remove them from the pans. Now I know what you're thinking, time to frost. But no, don't put the frosting on too soon, people. If you frost too soon while the cake is still warm, the frosting is gonna melt right off the cake, like in a horror movie when the faces get all melty and gross and no one wants to see that. My parents don't want to see that, you don't want to see that. Once they've completely cooled to room temperature, they're ready to frost. And we're gonna fill the cake with the buttercream. This is just a super simple American buttercream. It's delicious, it's easy. We got a little bit of vanilla here. We're gonna beat the butter and vanilla till it's light and fluffy. And we're slowly gonna add some confectioner sugar by the spoonful. It's gonna get a little dusty. So we beat some confectioner sugar into this, you know, adding a spoonful every now and then, getting the consistency right. We want to also scrape the sides of the bowl, the bottom of the bowl. Also watch the speed of the mixer because if you're too fast, your table will look a little bit like mine. But if you're too slow, you won't actually beat anything. And also, we added a little bit of milk. If your frosting is too thick to spread, just gradually add a little bit more milk. It's all about consistency here. All right, so I got 2 rounded domes here. I'm just gonna cut across the top like so, because I want my other layer to be just as flat on top of it. So I'm gonna take my cake, I'm gonna put it here. We're about to ice this sucker, all right? So I'm gonna throw on a little dollop.
We're about to ice this.
Yeah, this sucker, this. I'm gonna lay a little dollop of icing right on the cake tray. And when I put this layer on here, it's gonna stick it almost like a little bit of glue. I'm gonna take some icing right here, big old dollop on the side. Go all the way around with it. So we're gonna take a little bit more, looking good. We got a layer right here on the top. We're gonna ice around the side as well. Once we put the second layer on top, boom, let that sit right there. And then we're gonna just come around the sides like that. I'm just filling on anywhere I see brown, we wanna take some icing over that. This is like a YouTube video. So you're an expert like me, obviously. This only took like 2 minutes and then boom, just ice that top. Look at that. And there you have it. Cam's Cakes. I think I'm gonna go into business. I think I'm gonna start Cam's Cakes today. Oh. It's a sign. We're gonna let my business ventures grow, my dreams grow. Let's slice this baby up. It's almost so beautiful I don't wanna do it, but oh yeah, Cam's Cakes is happening. Here we go. Look at that. That is a huge piece of cake. This is the best looking vanilla cake I've ever had. Well, it's the best cake I've ever made, but no joke, it's moist, rich, pillowy, soft. It's got a nice crumb there, legit vanilla flavor. And every bite, plus, it was easy. You got a wedding coming up, you got a birthday coming up, a graduation, I got you. Cam's Cakes, launching soon, that's happening. Now I'm gonna need you to like and subscribe to McCormick on YouTube so you can check out all the Flavor Maker videos. This is gonna be a Cam's Cake special, the cake sandwich. I'll see you later.
Ice the sucker.